An onion teaches you more about retirement than anything else. You key in your inputs into a retirement calculator and it shows a corpus of 5 crore for retirement. But your portfolio is not even 50 lakhs. Been there? The problem with most calculators is that they ignore two things. One, they do not tell you what you can achieve with what you already have. And number two is the behavioral impact on you when you're being shown a big number like 5 crore. These two issues had a big impact on me as an investor, and I started ignoring what I can actually achieve. There have been days when I've stayed up thinking, how am I even going to achieve these numbers? But the method I'm going to show you is exactly what I personally used to exit corporate life for the time being at least and start something on my own. It's been 2 years so far, and I would like to think I'm not too far away from where I thought I should be. And I'm doing what I love, and that's the real bonus. Let me show you how you can learn to build a great retirement plan using a vegetable. Let us cut this onion together. And hey, try not to cry when we cut this onion. This outer skin is your life goals. Without removing that, you cannot get the vegetable inside. The first layer is the minimum survival layer, and if you have this layer, you can live with dignity for the rest of your life. The second layer is the health emergency layer. Basically, we are adding a cushion for health emergencies which will eventually happen in our life in the future. The third layer is the conservative assumption layer. You can change your assumptions here to very conservative estimates and see what is the impact it has on the corpus we are estimating. And the fourth layer is the lifestyle and discretionary layer. You add your choice of lifestyle here to get the corpus. The final layer is your inheritance layer. What do you think you should need to leave for your kids gets added in this layer. Once you have split the fire number like this, it becomes much easier for you to achieve these. Now let us together build the retirement framework and work through the numbers one layer at a time. Outer onion skin is your must-have goals, friends. Educating your kids, buying a house, a car, taking care of your parents and whatnot. Friends, plan for these goals separately. Do not involve these numbers in your retirement plan. Let me know in the comments if you want an exclusive goal-based investing video and I can create it for you. In our retirement framework, we are removing the outer noise first, which is the onion skin. Action for you is to separate it out and fund these goals separately. Layer 1 is the bare minimum survival layer or self-respect layer or dignity layer, as my friend from Hassle-Free Wealth calls it. You're not being respected at work, but you hang on to the job because you have to take care of your family. Most of us have faced that. This layer is about getting to that ability to stand up and not taking things lying down. You know, if you have this layer covered, you at least can lead a life of self-respect. Once we achieve this layer, we know that at a conservative level, we can get, say, about 50,000 a month till we are alive. And this 50,000 for me could be very different for you, but it's okay. Start with this number at least. This corpus for a 50-year-old man would be approximately 1.6 crore for getting 50,000 a month for 35 years after retirement. This 50K is adjusted for an inflation at 6% per year. This number might look much easier to achieve or at least go on a path to achieve. And this is your second target after investing for your life goals. Friends, and if you already have a good provident fund and an NPS contribution going on, you can achieve layer 1 much faster than you think. Layer 2 is the medical emergency layer. Now, to layer 1, we add a medical emergency layer to the plan. You know medical inflation is insane right now in India. So plan it as early as possible. Don't wait for it too long before starting it. Start with a plan to create a comfortable number for you. Let us assume you set a target of 5 lakhs. Start with a 2000 rupees SIP for this. Over 10 years, you have the potential to create around 5 lakhs for this goal. You should obviously have a good health insurance plan and a super top up to go along with the base plan. Slowly build up the plan as you near your mid-30s. Say your target should be at 25 lakhs inflation adjusted buffer. You've already built 5 lakhs. Increase the contribution now to 5,000 per month and make it 24 lakhs in the last 10 years. So your FIRE number actually becomes 1.85 crore. Layer 3 is the conservative assumption layer. Now we stress test the requirements and create additional buffers for our retirement. We do this in 2 steps. Step 1, we make assumptions on inflation when we calculate the retirement number. We started with 6%. Now increase the inflation to say 8% and see what you actually need. Now with 8% inflation, the corpus required becomes 2.35 crore. Step 2, now you increase the life expectancy. We started with 35 years. Increase your expectancy to, let us say, 40 years. We have seen people live till they are 90 years old, right? And with this change, our corpus required has increased to 2.6 crore from 2.35 crore. Layer 4 is lifestyle changes and discretionary expenses layer. Now 50,000 per month calculated at layer 1 is the basic need. Your lifestyle changes, upgrades, and you would probably need a lot more than 50,000 a month. Now plan for this. Let that be 1 lakh per month to have a comfortable life. With that, the FIRE number now becomes 4.8 crore. See, this is where most of us get it wrong. We directly aim for the last question in KBC. Peel the onion and cut the layers slowly, my friends. Achieve the 1.6 crore, then 1.85 crores, then 2.35, then 2.6, and finally 4.8 crores. And each of these numbers are very meaningful steps to your FIRE number. They tell you what exactly you can achieve in each of these layers. And the beauty is, once you've achieved your first crore, the time taken to achieve the next crore is drastically less. Now on to layer 5. Layer 5 is the inheritance layer. How much do you want to leave back for your kids? Depending on what you want to do, your plan, once you achieve the previous layer, changes. And you can plan for it after achieving layer 1 to layer 4. This is actually a bonus layer. Don't even think about it until others are actually kind of done. So see friends, instead of seeing 4.8 CR as your FIRE number, you peel it off. Cut the retirement as an onion. The chances are you will achieve this with greater confidence. That, my friends, is how you plan your retirement, one layer at a time. If you're unsure how to achieve your first 10 lakhs, 50 lakhs or 1 crore, the process is actually amazing the same. The scale is different and I have explained the same in the video here. Friends, and there are certain things your retirement calculator won't tell you. And the earlier you know that, the better it is for your retirement. And that's what we are going to cover in the next video of this retirement series.